All right, everybody, Bryce here, coming at you with another real quick crypto market update. And now, it's no secret the markets have been volatile to the upside, finally, right? I mean, we've seen a tremendous breakout, a huge impulse across all the markets. You don't just have the big caps like Bitcoin and Ethereum up. No, you have small caps, you have micro caps, mid caps, everything's moving. Privacy coins, DeFi coins moving the hardest. Metaverse and GameFi coins, supply chain coins, heck, everything's moving. And that's how you know when there's this sort of broad-based move, right? That's a real market impulse. And that's what we're seeing. We're seeing breakout after breakout, resistance smashed. You see Bitcoin at $47,500 today, Ethereum at $3,400, and everything's moving. And so this is a great time to be an investor in crypto. Whether you're just now setting up your portfolio, or maybe you've been in for a month or 2 months or a year or 2 years or whatever, now's the time to be re-adding to your positions. I think we're in store for a massive reignition of this bull run, and I think a lot of people are sidelined. I really do think a lot of people are caught on the sidelines. They were scared out of the market, or they were just weared out, right? They were bored. They were looking at it. They're like, oh, this thing hasn't moved in months. And if it has, it's only moved down. So we're going to steer clear. We're going to wait for some confirmation of higher prices. And then, oh, will prices start rising? Well, I don't want to buy this high. I want to wait till it's low. And so that's the psychology of the market. Everybody is just looking at this thing saying, this thing just went up too hard, too fast. So they're going to stay out of the market. And that allows the markets to actually move higher. The people who control the asset, right, who have not cornered the supply, but control, the whales, right? They see that, right? There's not a lot of other people in the market. They're going to keep marking it up, right? There's not a whole, there's not a whole lot that the retail folks can do here except pray for a deep pullback, right? The institutions have accumulated. That's what the past 3.5, 4 months have been about. It's been about the whales, the hedge funds, the institutions buying up all the fear and saying, hey, we still believe Bitcoin is the best asset, the best, most pristine collateral in the world that we're going to, borrow against. People still think Bitcoin and still believe Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to be the backbone of the future of finance and the economy, right? So all in all, nothing has changed except the prices have come down over the past, 3-4 months, and the value of these networks has only gotten higher, right? Only grown. There's only been more users, more adoption, more institutions coming in, more politicians getting on board with crypto. My God, it's insane. So anyhow, I'm really excited because we're finally getting that confirmation, that breakout that we've been waiting for on the high time frames, right? On those large time scales, we're breaking out, and so this is just tremendous. Are we going to get a pullback? A lot of people are asking me. We'll see. I think the deepest I could see a near-term pullback going is about 10%. But I think that there's more risk that we see a 10% short squeeze move higher, right, up to the next resistance. Because a trend tends to stay in motion, and a trend tends to stay in trend unless an equal and opposite force is acting upon it, right? And so right now, we're just seeing too much bullishness, and where's the bear ammo going to come from? I don't know. But anyhow, if you guys are making tremendous gains in this market, you guys are, just crushing it. Well, guess what? You have to have a method to keeping your gains and keeping your crypto, okay? And what I mean by that, keeping it and not giving it back, whether it's through the market or what's happening a lot is through hacks, right? And so we see hacks all across the board. In fact, there was a big one recently on the Ronin Bridge. We saw another one on the Wormhole Bridge. And these are like billion-dollar hacks practically. And so what we want to tell you guys is that everybody, whether you're an institution or a retail guy, you need an ultimate guide to keeping your crypto safe. Okay? And that means getting set up on the right wallets, avoiding phishing links and spear phishing attacks, and which sounds funny, but in the crypto world, these are very, very real attacks, and they're coming after your crypto. And so with the ultimate guide to keeping your crypto safe, which by the way is yours today for $3, if you click that link below, it has everything you need to know from front to back about how to protect yourself in this crazy crazy crypto world, okay? So again, the ultimate guide to keeping your crypto safe for just $3, limited time offer. Click the button below and you're gonna know everything that you need to know about getting set up and feeling confident, right? Because I know a lot of people are out there, they're just coming into crypto for the first couple times. They just say, okay, I'm gonna dive in, but I don't really know all about this. And they rely on bad software and bad technology and they don't really know much. And guess what? This guide is gonna take you and give you confidence, okay? And confidence is the key to crushing it in the market. So ultimate guide to keeping your crypto safe, $3, hit the button below, limited time offer, and you guys are gonna be protecting your crypto, which is equally as important as making massive gains, all right? So we'll see you there.